Elvis grew up in Tupelo and Memphis, where gospel hymns shaped a voice that would redefine rock and blues. Before fame, he cut a Raw Sun Records single, and his first public audition included swiveling hips that shocked clubs worldwide. In the army years in Germany, he befriended locals and soldiers, tempering his image and broadening his reach. He trained in karate in the 1960s, a discipline that sharpened his stage timing and focus. Off-stage, he supported gospel artists and studio crews, revealing the quiet engine behind the King's thunderous sound.